ओम शिव जय श्री कृष्ण जय महाकाल ओम ये है गुरुद्वारा गुरसागर साहिब, चंडीगढ़ के समीप, चंडीगढ़ में सुखना झील के समीप। वेलकम। सो केव योगी विनोदानंद योग की लुप्त प्राय क्रियाएं सीखने के लिए, मोक्ष की ओर जाने के लिए। आपका भाई केव योगी विनोदानंद, सोलर पावर ह्यूमंस, कैलिफोर्निया। I welcome you at this holy place, Gurudwara Gursagar Sahib, to unfold the mystery of life and death. So, you guys know mere talks. So, we are all one and the same beyond dualism. Almighty just personifying himself in different garbs, 84 lakh species. It's all God himself. I'm very much confident I'm conversing with the Lord, and He wants to perfect me, the Almighty, through these videos, through interacting. And nobody is frustrated in this world. Nobody has depression. It's all God just playing His game, elusive game to perfect each other. So here is Guru Govind Singh Ji, Ape Gurchela, the real philosophy of life, master and devotee. Both. So, we have to transform ourselves to that valor, bravery. So, this is a message especially from solar powered humans. Kev Yogi Vinodanand, I salute all the yoga tigers. Denmark, California. So, especially Harlan. Then you're from Denmark. Amin. Again to my Muslim friends, most welcome. You guys above and beyond all these trifling things, geographical boundaries, and your religions, you say good, keep sticking to your religion, but you guys like a medical science to make you healthy, make you disease free. We call it Videhi. So join here, practice, and practice. So I was demonstrating you here the King Asana, strive for the best Shakespeare. Again I repeat, sweet are the uses of adversities, like a precious stone in the head of a venomous toad. Adversities are gone. I love Shakespeare, by the way. So I welcome you here, the Western world. Meet Wake Rinpoche, YouTube. Go to the YouTube, search W-A-K Wake, R-I-N-P-O-C-H-E Rinpoche. His English name is Bredkar. So this too is a kind of worship to lead the humanity towards the right person for for going in samadhi in the dark retreat. So here is the message, especially for the Westerners, the Americans. You need not fly to and fro. So he being an American, he has mastered, oh my God, Noli. Me being a cave yogi, mastered Khechri, Vajoli, experienced samadhi. 73, 74. Blessed with all these things. Hereditary. And my master, Sri Yudhishthir Prasad Tripathi, Jabalpur, Baglamukhi Shakti Peach, power. So as I was demonstrating you, practice, and practice. And when we reach 3 hours, at a stretch, you go in timelessness. No talks. So when you reach adolescent period, you know what marriage is. Like this, when you have Ishwariya Tattva, means the God element in your head, you come to know this all God. No mere talks, no flowery speeches. If a true surgeon, he need not discuss much with the patient before surgery. If he's really a master, real surgeon, he give anesthesia and the patient goes and then operation is performed. So this is the real master, like that. Wake Rinpoche, he knows your throbs, the Western world, and come to this place, Gurudwara Gursagar Sahib. Most welcome. To experience Samadhi. Samadhi is basically induced. It's no talks. First be a yogi. You must know, as you go before treatment to the doctors, to know him, whether he's a yogi, whether he's a surgeon or a cardiologist, or quack. So like this, you have to be very, very careful before choosing where you are practicing yoga. And yoga is not a game of mere talks and words. First, yam, niyam, asana, pranayam, pratyahar, dharana, dhyan, samadhi. celibacy. Oh, if you want to go in samadhi, as like your brother, join me. Yogis from India, from throughout the world, let's save our humanity. In this process, we'll be perfecting ourselves. There's nobody to be reformed here. Reformer, reform thyself. It's God everywhere. So let's join together for the higher things. I'm here. Oh, that is to, take in the limelight all the extinct kriyas. And of course, those who are on the verge of extinction, Vajroli, Khichdi, directly to Samadhi. Vajroli, complete control on your ejaculation system, go ageless, make your married life happy, have, male-female union without ejaculation, with your will only. Solar-powered humans. So, message of gratitude to Biba Charan Kamalji and Baba Pratpalji. Oh, who created this place? Come here. You'll enjoy the gallopings of the horses. Oh, this divine place, all surrounded by the jungle, crowing of the peacocks, deers here, patterns. Welcome. Practice and practice. Gurudwara Gursagar Sahib near lake. Anytime you can seek advice in yoga and see the miraculous power of Mr. Vivek Rinpoche, Buddhist monk, Bedkar. Oh, you'll see that. How the powers are transmitted, how the diseases are cured mere by giving you the energies, like telepathy. Om Namah Shivaya. Jai Mahakal. Jai Mahakal. Welcome to India. Welcome to India. Join us here. Solar-powered humans, Kev Yogi Vinodanand. Let's join together to take out the humanity out of the marsh of ignorance. Jai Mahakal. Enjoy the sunset and be with me every day. I'll be sharing you a number of things. Oh, secret things, holy things. Jai Mahakal.